seeds and garden supplies at Target. Hello, welcome to 77's Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. I'm here at Target and just want to show you what they have for garden supplies at Target. Over here they have seeds, they have vegetable seeds on this side, and all these are burpee seeds, so they have a huge selection, a whole wall of seeds over here. You have tomatoes, green beans, squash, peppers, pumpkin, carrots. So they have a huge selection, a whole section of vegetables seeds over here. And as you can see, they have different varieties of onions and okra and peppers. At this beginning of the year like this, or beginning of the season, you have a good selection. So if you're looking for seeds, grab the seeds right now before the run out, especially if the seeds that you're looking for are hard to find. You want to try to grab it early on so that way you have enough seeds. Over here they have herbs, different variety of herbs, cilantro, dill, lavender, and all the other herbs right here. Quite a big selection of them over here. And then on this side they have flowers. They have flowers on this side with a good selection of flowers too. And over here they have big packs. These are big packs, multi packs of seeds, different variety of seeds. If you're looking for getting one pack that represents different variety and different seeds, then you get big packs like this. Same with the flowers. They have big packs down here. Up here they have different flowers, different variety of, you have sunflowers and other types of flowers over here that you can get, and they come with the instructions in the back. And definitely check them out if you have Targets around you. I'll see if I can put the link for some other places where I get my seeds. I'll put the link either in the description, in the bio, or in the comments below. So check that out too. They have some good selections and good prices on those too. You can get them online. You can also get them from other catalogs and other garden centers. So but over here at Target they have some good selection. These are organic seeds over here, and these are back to roots organic seeds, and they have not a big selection, but at least you can get some stuff from here if you're looking for organic seeds. And these ones are $2.99. Down here they have flowers, and they have some other watermelon and other zinnias and other plants, lavender over here. So they have some other seeds over here. So depending on what you're looking for, if you're looking for organic seeds, the selection is not as big as the other seeds, but it's still you still have a selection of seeds, organic seeds over here. So if you've gotten seeds from Target before, let me know in the comments below if you bought seeds from Target. Over here they have seed starting mix and potting mix and other garden items that you can use. They have this Miracle Grow potting mix over here. If you plan to grow in containers, do container gardening, then you want to get stuff like this over here. Up here they have some fertilizers and different things that you can use for your garden. The selection for the fertilizers not that big, but it's at least you get a few options up there. Same over here, they have potting mix. You have moisture control potting mix, Miracle potting mix over here. If you're looking for something like that, over here they have planters, they have pots, they have a heat mat right here. If you start seeds indoors, you want to get something like that, heat mat, so that way it provides adequate heat for your seeds to germinate, and then you can start growing them. These are just soil testers that you can use. Up here they have these are recyclable or reusable trays Same with this over here. This is just a tray window, like a windowsill tray you can use to plants. Over here, these are seed pots, um, biodegradable seed pots over here. And let's check this side over here. Here they have grow kits. They have different grow kits over here. If you want to just grow tomatoes, herbs, and other stuff, you can just buy the grow kits, mushrooms. And this is a fabric garden raised bed over here. It's not that bad, but it's microgreen grow kits over here. And you have a Miracle Grow and other stuff over here. Over here, they have some other small grow kits down here. And on the side, you have, this is a small, like a windowsill grow kit that you could use to grow wildflowers. And up here, they have seed ball kits and other different seeds and seed kits. Over here, you have strawberry patch, small planting basket. Over here is cactus, succulents, and up here you have flowers, rose, and these are different small planters that you can put like on the windowsill. And these are kids grow kits for kids to start growing and gardening. Miracle Grow, Zen Garden. Over here they have pots, containers, grow pots and grow buckets. Over here, these are big containers. Over here, if you grow plants in them, these are, you have white and black over here, and up here you have smaller ones. You have smaller container, and these are 2-packs, and you have smaller ones over here. So the selection for the pots and the containers, it's not that big, not a lot of selection, but at least you have a few things over here. Also, they have, I know they have more online that over here, but your store might be different from this store. So over here they have some smaller pots, clay pots, and other smaller size pots that you can use to grow flowers, grow other crops and stuff like that in it. If you want to grow herbs and vegetables, you can also grow in them, or you can use for flowers indoors. So over here they have a little medium-sized container. So they have not a big variety, like I said, not a big variety of containers, but you have a selection that you're able to make to look for containers that you want to. If you're looking for containers to grow plants and or decorate your plants indoors. This is a big clay pot. It's not really clay, but a big pot that you can use to plant stuff in it. And over here they have they have some artificial flowers over here. See tiny flowers like these. Over here, these are some flowers. Over here you have tools, other garden tools. You have garden shovels and scissors and other garden tools that you might need, and watering cans. It's a nice square. I've never seen this one before, square watering can. And then you also have some other watering cans and watering jugs over here, and gloves and other stuff. Okay, if you like the video so far, smash the like button. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to share. If you like the video, somebody else might like the video, share the video. Thanks for watching. Happy growing.